Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Jeep Liberty and I will show you which fuses to check in case your ABS brakes are not working and either ABS or traction control lights are on the instrument cluster. This video will apply to Jeep Liberties made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Okay, now all of the fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery. It's right here. Now to leave the cover you will have two black tabs, one here, one here. You want to press each of them and lift up. Right here, this yellow piece, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And on the back side of the cover you also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number J6, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to ABS pump. And fuse number J7 will be this one here, it's a 30 amp fuse responsible for power to ABS valve. And one more fuse to check, and that's fuse M37, which is a small 10 amp red fuse located down here, responsible for power to ABS or ESP module. Now in case all of these fuses are good and your ABS light is still on and it's not working, then you will have to dig a bit deeper. First you'll have to connect the OBD2 scanner to get the codes from the system. And then based on the codes you will know where to look, but most likely you are dealing with a failed ABS or a wheel speed sensor or corroded or broken wires towards the sensor. That's the most common cause. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.